In primetime news this evening, Operation Bernard Lodge. Government unveils new plan to address land issues. Good cop, fake cop. How to tell the difference and what you should do if confronted by either. And Jake's Road residents demanding the release of their community leader from the police. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrew Laidley has our preview.
Yes, Janella. Well, some good news this evening for the medical ganja industry. The Caribbean Development Bank is weighing in, and I'll have the details in the Financial Week.
Okay, from Andrew, we go to Jordan Fort with what's coming up in sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, how did it sound to leave the beach in about 5 minutes and then get to a cricket match and then back to the beach? Sounds like a good idea, right?
Yeah.
Well, fans and players alike may soon get a chance to do so right here in Jamaica, as international cricket could soon be played at the Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports this evening.
Sounds good. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: in light of the coronavirus threat, what are your views on the 2020 Olympic Games being held in Tokyo, Japan?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.